Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to sell Pepe Coin from Trust Wallet. Alright, so your first step would be to open up the Trust Wallet application. Once you've opened up Trust Wallet, make sure you have the Pepe token. As you know, the Pepe token exists on several networks, but the network we're going to be working with is Pepe on the Ethereum. That is this coin here, that's Pepe on Ethereum. Alright, so in order to sell the Pepe on Ethereum token, you must have Ethereum to cover your gas fees. So make sure you have some Ethereum on your wallet to be able to cover your gas fees or any other essentials. All right, so now the next step you take is use the search icon at the top of the screen and simply search for Pepe. The Pepe we're looking for, as I said earlier, is Pepe on Ethereum. So click on Pepe on Ethereum, and where we have swap, click on the swap option. So now let's say you hold about $20 worth of Pepe. You're going to need some money to cover your gas fees in order to perform this trade. So make sure you have enough Ethereum to cover your gas fees to perform this trade, and you have some Pepe tokens to sell. So when you simply convert, you've simply sold your Pepe tokens for Ethereum. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.